So another way that we use it is we use it as a comparative, and I often do Vicky and Carla. So when we're looking at a scenario, for example, of somebody with alcohol dependency, and we'll do a simulation of somebody with alcohol dependency, and then what we'll do is we'll bring it back to the table to actually show what that looks like on the inside and how livers can differ. So again, I always like to start off with the whole person, because what I find is that that really reinforces the order of where things are within the body. So we first of all get rid of the skin, then we get rid of the muscle, get rid of the peritoneum, and then what I'm going to do is I'm really going to highlight that liver there. So again, I like to make bones translucent, because we all know where our own bones are. So it's a really good positioning, anatomical positioning for them. In this particular case, I also actually quite like to get rid of the lungs and the heart, just because it really then highlights the liver more. And then with the digestive system, I'm going to highlight that liver section there, so you can really kind of see where it sits. We knew where it went with the lungs. You can keep the lungs translucent, but this way here you can really see where it is, and we know that the diaphragm sits above it. And like that, you can see actually, okay, yes, she does have a tumour there, which is going to take up quite a significant amount of space, but you can see the size of that liver. I would then minimise it, and I would do the same with Carla. So with Carla, you can see here, I'm now going to get rid of the skin, get rid of the muscular system, make the skeletal system translucent, and very quickly you can already see, you can already see very, very quickly the difference in the size of her liver. And that's highlight, so you can then talk about the process of the liver actually being the sponge of the body that picks up all those toxins. So going from a smaller liver that becomes enlarged through picking up toxins and then becomes fibrosed when it can no longer soak everything up.